Welcome to Review Lab. The best gas can spout is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components for any homeowner or DIY enthusiast who relies on portable fuel storage, ensuring that your valuable gasoline or other flammable liquids are transferred safely and efficiently without the frustrating spills and messes that plague traditional designs, making it a critical upgrade for maintaining your equipment and property. Number 5. CM Concepts Gas Water Can Spout and Vent Replacement Kit. Tired of messy refills? This kit features a long, angled design for effortless, spill-free filling of your lawn equipment, vehicles, and boats. It includes a filter screen that also acts as a flame arrestor. This keeps debris out of your fuel tank and prevents dangerous vapors from escaping. Experience faster pouring thanks to the included chrome brass vents. They are uniquely designed for easy installation and quick fuel transfer. Designed in the US for most standard cans, it comes with two base cap styles for wide compatibility. It fits many popular brands like Scepter, Gott, and Briggs. You can rely on this product with a 1-year warranty against defects. It also comes with dedicated US support for your peace of mind. Each kit contains a flexible spout cap, O-ring gasket with filter screen, 2 base caps, and a push-in vent cap. You get 2 complete kits in total. What we like. This kit offers a long, angled spout for effortless, spill-free pouring into various equipment. Its included chrome brass vent ensures fast flow, and a filter screen keeps debris out. If you're looking for a reliable replacement for older US gas cans and prioritize a clean, quick fill, this is a great choice. What people say. The flexibility of the product makes it easier to pour without spilling. Came with 2 different threads. I'm guessing they can fit any basic tank with one of them. These fit my new gas cans perfectly. I hate those new lids. They always leak and are hard to get working. Number 4. Gas Can Spout Replacement Kit, 3 kits. Tired of messy refills? This upgraded kit is designed to fit most 1, 2, 5, and 10-gallon gas cans, making refueling easier and more flexible than ever before. Crafted from high-quality HDPE material, these hoses are molded in one piece for maximum durability. The thickened rubber gaskets ensure a tight seal, preventing leaks and spills. Our anti-overflow design features threaded caps with sealing gaskets. Simply tighten the cap when finished, and you can transport your gas can with confidence, knowing there will be no leaks. This kit includes 2 types of vent caps to ensure compatibility with a wide range of gas cans, including those without a pre-existing vent. Installation is straightforward. Everything you need is included: spouts, caps, gaskets, and even a drill bit for vent cap installation. Get your gas can working like new in no time. Each set comes with screw collar caps, spouts, nozzle caps, vent caps, and a drill bit. We're here to help if you need any assistance during installation or use. What we like. This upgraded spout kit features a longer, flexible nozzle for easier use and an anti-overflow design for safety during transport. It's suitable for a wide range of gas can sizes and includes options for cans with or without existing vents. If you need a versatile and secure solution for various gas cans, especially if you're concerned about leaks, this is the one to consider. What people say. Gas flows much more quickly. It's not spilling out like an uncontrollable flood, but is a very steady flow. Previously my cans had no air vent, so it made bubbling noises similar to a water cooler. No longer. Closing the air vent requires a nice push and gives a nice clicking sound with positive feedback so you know it's closed. The kit came with extra parts for fitting multiple can types. Number 3. Stens 765-510 Fuel Can Spout Kit. Introducing the Stens 765-510 Fuel Can Spout Kit. It's designed for a fast, spill-proof fueling experience, making refueling your equipment simple and clean. This kit is CARB approved, ensuring it meets strict environmental standards. You can rely on its automatic stop feature to prevent overfilling and leaks. Designed for all Midwest can gas, diesel, or kerosene containers, this replacement spout kit offers great value. It's the perfect solution for your fueling needs. Crafted for durability, this black spout kit is built to last. Its leak-proof design provides peace of mind during every use. Upgrade your existing fuel containers with this essential replacement part. It offers a fast flow rate and automatic shut-off for efficient and safe operation. What we like. This carb-approved spout kit is designed for a fast flow rate and features an automatic stop function to prevent overfilling. It's also leak-proof, ensuring a clean and safe refueling experience. If you prioritize safety, efficiency, and compliance with emission standards, especially for Midwest can containers, this is an excellent option. What people say. This is the Spout Midwest can should have put on their gas and diesel jugs from the start. While not perfect, it is a great improvement. This new design did the same 5 gallons in 2 minutes 25 seconds, beating the claim on the packaging that these are up to 2.5 times faster. Unlike the original spout, this replacement spout can be stored inside the can and the red cap can be used to keep dirt and debris out. Number 2. No-Spill 6132 Gas Can Nozzle Assembly. Meet the No-Spill 6132 Gas Can Nozzle Assembly, designed for your convenience. This essential accessory is built to last and incredibly simple to operate. You'll appreciate its robust construction, ensuring it can withstand regular use. Its user-friendly design makes refueling a breeze. This assembly is specifically designed to add significant value to your no-spill gas cans. It's the perfect upgrade for models from 2010 onwards. We take pride in manufacturing this high-quality product right here in the United States. You can trust in its domestic craftsmanship. Featuring a 7/8-inch OD tip size, it ensures a controlled and efficient flow. This precise measurement is key to its reliable performance. Please note, this nozzle assembly is exclusively compatible with no-spill gas cans manufactured in 2010 and later. Ensure compatibility for a perfect fit. What we like. This nozzle assembly is specifically designed for no-spill cans manufactured from 2010 onwards, ensuring a perfect fit and optimal performance. It's highlighted as highly durable and very easy to use. If you own a compatible no-spill can and want a genuine, straightforward replacement part made in the USA, this is your go-to. What people say. Works and fits great on my application. Perfect replacement nozzle for the fuel can. Exact OEM and no-spill fuel dispenser for gas cans. Number 1. Super Spouts Gas Can Spout Replacement Kit. This is a complete replacement kit for your Blitz gas cans. It includes everything you need to get your old cans working like new again. Tired of difficult no-spill spouts? These are designed for easy pouring, replacing those clunky, outdated, and worn-out nozzles on your Blitz gas cans. Crafted from high-grade plastic with extra thick gaskets and secure locking tips, these spouts are designed to be leak-proof during handling and transport. These convenient pour nozzles are built strong and sturdy. They rest directly onto the fuel filler tube, minimizing messy spills and reducing fatigue while filling any machine. We stand by the quality and function of our products. Based in the USA, we back every purchase with a no-questions-asked money-back guarantee. What we like. This 3-pack offers a complete replacement kit for old-style Blitz gas cans, designed to be easier to use than clunky original spouts. It boasts a leak-proof design with secure locking tips and solid nozzles for durability. If you have older Blitz cans and are tired of difficult or leaky spouts, this kit provides a robust and convenient solution. What people say. Open and pour. No need to pull the spring or press a button to pour the fuel. With this you take off the cap, open the vent and use both hands to lift and stabilize the container as you fuel your equipment. No spillages, no straining to lift and fuel. I appreciate the simplicity of this. They work well, and are certainly better than dealing with the required safety devices we are now forced to use. I had some of the other type of gas spouts that to be compressed in order to use them and it was a hassle. With these you just have to pop the cap off, fill up whatever you need to put gas in and just put the cap back on. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.